Vendors at Charles Gordon Market in St. James say they're fed up with selling their goods in water every time it rains. They're now urging the Minister of Local Government to take action and fix the poor conditions at the facility. Aisha Nation has that story.
A total mess. That's how vendors of the Charles Gordon Market in Montego Bay, St. James are describing the state of the facility, especially when it rains. The roofs of the stalls are leaking and vendors complain they are losing money as a result. They're now pleading with the government to intervene.
It's very terrible inside here. I have shop, I have stall, and up till now we have been, whenever rainfall, even before rainfall, we are in some messy place, dirty place, making nasty place. And rainfall, if you see the amount of garbage when I place, we in a water, right now is water boot me have on, water boot, you understand? So, at time for the government fix up the place, man. Every day we hear say the market are fixed. The big part of market start, we over here, so we don't have no way.
Another vendor says the poor conditions at the market are not only affecting business, but also pose a health threat.
After the people sweep the market, you don't have nobody who come and supervise or inspect and see to that they were done properly. See? And whenever it rains, as you can see, it's just total mess. I'm asking the question, do they really want the people to really come in the market to come and buy from us? Because guess what? We can't sell on the street and we don't like it. Just look at the top of them. You don't want anything going on your face or them low. Where's the management?
The manager have to go, the manager not good. The manager have to pay $1,000 for me come in and look on the market. This management drive me on no good to the market.
The vendors want local government Minister Desmond McKenzie to intervene.
Enough we don't leave the market. A lot of us go and leave the market, and there's a parish council don't lose because him not have no money to collect from we. Somebody asked Mr. McKenzie, please sir, I've talked to you inside our meeting and you say you go fix the market for we get it. And up till now, whenever rain fall, we can't walk in the market, sir. We can't walk, I beg you.
Aisha Nation, TVJ News.